In this demonstration, we'll take a look at configuring SNMP. SNMP stands for the Simple Network Management Protocol, and it's a TCP/IP management protocol that allows us to monitor and manage devices on the IP network. To configure your device as an SNMP agent that can be monitored by management software, you can use the set SNMP command. So I'm already logged on to my router, so I'm going to use the set SNMP, and I'm going to specify the community name, and I'm going to set the community name here to public. Now this community name kind of acts as kind of like a password. It's how we can kind of control which devices are allowed to monitor, which systems are allowed to monitor this device. So realistically, the default community name on a lot of SNMP components is set to public. So setting my community name here to public may not be the best idea, but I'm going to set it to public. And once you set your community name, you also specify the authorization level for any management software that's going to connect to this device. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the authorization level to read only. So that allows the management software that connects to this SNMP agent or SNMP device, it allows it to view the settings or view the information on this device, but not actually manage this device. So I want to basically authorize management software to monitor this device. It's important to note that you can configure the device to respond to multiple community names. So here I've set the community name to public. I could go and run the command again and use an additional community name with a different authorization level. So that allows you to have different management software using different community names to have different privileges against the system. You can configure settings on the device as well so that management software retrieving information from this device obtains the information. And information such as maybe the location and contact person could be set on the device so that the management software can see who the contact person is for this device itself. So to set some of these settings on the device itself, like the description, location, and contact information, I'm going to use the set SNMP description command, and then I'm going to specify the description of this device. So I'm going to specify that this is a Juniper router. I'm going to set my SNMP location in quotes, my city and province or city and state. Then I'm going to set my SNMP contact information. And then in quotes, you can specify things like maybe an email address or a phone number, for instance. So I'll put in a cell number and then close quote. So again, this information can be retrieved by management software when they connect to the SNMP agent or to this device. Now with SNMP, you can configure the device so that when an unexpected event occurs on the device sends notification to the management software. This allows administrators to know of potential problems as they occur on the device. The notifications associated with these events are known as SNMP traps. So for example, you can configure a trap to have the device send notification if management software tries to connect to the device using the wrong community name. So this is an example of a potential security issue, so I would want to know anytime a piece of software tries to connect with the wrong community name. So there is an authentication problem there. Maybe somebody's trying to connect to the device that really shouldn't be connecting to the device. So to set that up, we're going to set up our trap. So we do a set SNMP trap-group, and it's an authentication trap that will be sent. So notification will be sent. We'll pretend that my management system is sitting at 192.168.1.200. So we'll pretend that that's where my administrative system is. So I want to send those traps over to that system. Now what I'll do is I'll set the SNMP, sorry. I should be using my tab so I don't have many typos. Trap group, there we go. So set SNMP trap group, again, an authentication trap for the category of authentication errors. So if there's any authentication failures, then I want to send those events or notifications of those events to that target system that I set up in my previous command. So in this demonstration, you saw how to configure SNMP on a Juniper router.